Hey everyone, Todd here, internalarchitect.com. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what cancer cannot do. Now before I get started, hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and please give a share and give a like and leave a comment at the end to let me know what you think. What cancer cannot do. Now this is always something that's on my mind because, as I talk to more and more people about cancer and seeing the struggles that cancer does to people, it really leaves that huge void in everyone's after cancer process, right? And that's why it's so difficult to get back on your feet after cancer, because it really knocked you down mentally and physically too. And I think when I look back at a lot of the cancer pieces of my life, I keep coming back to little bits of it, and I think about what it is that it just hasn't been able to take away from me. And then I was reading through some article or something, and I came across an interesting poem. And it was written by Dr. Robert L. Lynn, and you can find this online. And it's just a cancer poem of what cancer cannot do. And these are the things, these are the key and core elements of our being, ourselves. And with what cancer does, these are the things that it really can't. Now, I wanted to share this with you because I think it really resonated with me, and I think it could resonate with you because it kind of changes the whole perspective of what it is that cancer just can't take from you, no matter what it is and no matter what you are feeling at the time. And these are the things that will help get you back kind of on track to really think about this in a broad spectrum. So, What Cancer Cannot Do by Dr. Robert L. Lynn. It cannot cripple love. It cannot shatter hope. It cannot corrode faith. It cannot eat away at peace. It cannot destroy friendship. It cannot suppress memories. It cannot silence courage. It cannot invade the soul. It cannot steal eternal life. And it cannot conquer the spirit. That's it in a nutshell. Really. We get so caught up in what life is like after cancer as a survivor, and we realize that there are a lot of things that go on. We spend time trying to get acceptance through social media now. We don't do enough engaging with people around us, and this poem helps kind of bring it back into the things that are really real, for at least for me, and I'm really confident for you also, that there are just things. These are 10 things that really make the essence of life, of what it is that you are, what it is and who you are, the best that you can. And cancer can take away a lot of things. It can take away financial stability. It can take away other relationships. It can take away people that we love. I think it's just important to realize that some of the core issues of who it is that we are, cancer will never be able to take away. It takes away, the mindset. It takes away our want to do better. But when we start to adjust those, and when we really feel the need deep down to really change who it is that we are after cancer, these 10 things will help really realize what it is that makes a difference. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I don't know, I just come across a lot of really, really cool things. And what cancer cannot do is it can't take away some of the core essences of our life and our being, and the love, hope, faith, peace, friendship, memories, courage, soul, life, and spirit. They'll never be able to take those away. They might disappear for a little while as we're searching for ourselves, but at the end of the day, it's never going to take them away. Yeah, if you like what you hear, let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below, and if you come across someone that really might need a little help and really could benefit from this video, please share it with them and share it to social media if you would be so kind. Just want to say thank you for your time and your energy into watching the videos, and I will see you on the next one.